Welcome back to Kiddo Colors. Today we will draw and color alphabet E with egg. Before we start drawing, let's learn color names first. Light green color, orange color, red color, black color, light blue color, brown color, dark green color, pink color, purple color, yellow color. Amazing work, kids! Now let's start drawing together. First we will draw alphabet E. Kids, this is alphabet E. E is for egg. Amazing work, kids! Our alphabet E with egg drawing is ready. Now let's start coloring. This is white color. E is white. Amazing work, kids! Now let's color the egg. This is yellow color. Well done, kids! Our alphabet E with egg drawing is ready. If you enjoyed this drawing, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Kiddo Colors for more fun drawing and painting videos. See you in the next fun drawing. Keep drawing, keep learning, keep smiling. Thank you for watching the video.